I know you are terrified right now, and your body is experiencing all types of sensations that seem terrifying, and you may want to find any way you can to rid the sensations, which may mean you try to fight it, but do not fight the panic. Welcome it. I know it can be scary, but you will be okay. The more you fight it, the more your fight or flight will kick in, thinking you are in danger. You are not. Your nervous system is just kicked into high gear and thinking that you are in a threat. You want to remain calm in all situations for best decision making. Listen to my instructions and follow my lead for instant relief. If a sensation comes up, welcome it. Do not feel anxious about that symptom. Just continue to focus on my voice. Now sit up and close your eyes. Take a short breath in through your nose. 1, 2. Now exhale through your nose. 1, 2, 3. And pinch your nose on a hold of 4. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, take another short breath in through your nose. 1, 2. Now exhale through your nose. 1, 2, 3. And pinch your nose for 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, take a short breath in through your nose. 1, 2. Now exhale through your nose. 1, 2, 3. And pinch your nose for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. Inhale 1, 2. Now exhale 1, 2, 3. And pinch your nose for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. Take a short breath in through your nose. 1, 2. Now exhale 1, 2, 3. And pinch your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, take a short breath in through your nose. 1, 2. Now exhale 1, 2, 3. And pinch your nose for 1, 2, 3, 4. And one more time. Inhale through your nose. 1, 2. Exhale 1, 2, 3. And pinch your nose. 1, 2, 3. Now slowly inhale through your nose and exhale through your nose. If you still are not calm, you can do this breathing until you feel calm. You are safe in your body. Your body means no harm. It is just a miswiring in your nervous system. You are okay. Nothing is going to happen. When we panic, we try to overcompensate by overbreathing and mouth breathe, which then leads to hyperventilation and carbon dioxide intolerance, and then a lack of feeling like we are getting enough air. We then feel this air hunger and don't feel we can get a deep enough breath. Really, what we need is to make the breaths more shallow so we can build a tolerance to the carbon dioxide. Rather than taking many fast, deep breaths, we're taking slower, shorter breaths. Now you can take a big, deep breath and breathe out. You may feel that it is easier to take a deep breath now. Now that you feel your breathing is more calm, let us turn our attention to the top of our head. Imagine this great light coming before you. It is a green light, as this is Mother Earth here to ground you. Imagine this light sitting on top of your head, where it then soaks into your crown chakra. It slowly moves down to each inch of your body, making you feel safer, calmer, and more relaxed. When she comes to a sensation in your body, she takes it with her as she moves along and soothes that uncomfortable sensation. Now imagine her going from your crown chakra, the top of your head, to your face, taking every uncomfortable sensation with her, to your neck and throat, down to your shoulders, soothing each part of your body, down to your chest, calming down any discomfort. Then your arms, going down to your fingers and relaxing every inch of your hands, to your stomach and resting and calming those feelings, down to your hips and through your legs and down to your feet. When she reaches your feet, her and you become connected, where your feet become one with the earth. You are grounded here, safe and sound. Nothing will happen. You are one with Mother Nature. Now open your eyes and look around. What is something you see that reminds you that you are safe, connected, and grounded? What is something you hear that reminds you that you are safe? You can smell. How about something you can touch that reminds you that you are safe? And something you can taste. Excellent. You are completely safe where you are. If you ever panic, you can practice doing these exact breathing exercises. It is best when you're panicking to try to take shallow, slower breaths, and then when you are trying to get a more relaxed, calming sensation, to take deeper breaths. Go on with the rest of your day, no longer panicking. And if you do, it's okay. Welcome the panic, and you can use these breathing exercises at any moment.